was browsing on the website, saw the competition and thought I'd give it a go and entered it. I had heard of Dream Doors before the competition. I'd seen their stores, local areas, and that was one of the reasons I looked on their website. I was really surprised to hear that I'd won the competition and very excited and pleased. The kitchen fit was excellent. They made it as easy as possible. It was very good. It came in, worked hard and left it perfect. The fitting happened quicker than I was first told as far as the ordering concerned, which was great, and they was in and out in just a few days. Didn't take long at all. The fitters were excellent. They came in, worked really hard, didn't disrupt my day whatsoever and left everything great and clean. There were no issues at all, everything just worked to plan. They offered an excellent range and luckily this is just what I would have wanted and there it was there for me. I always like to go with local companies if I can. I've used multi-companies before, I've never been as happy. If I can go with a local company for personal touch, I will. I think it's much better. The showroom manager, Vinnie, came along and really did help with lots of options, gave advice and helped me choose everything, made it very smoothly. The fact that everything's guaranteed really gives you peace of mind and is a major point of choosing something. I think the products are very high quality, especially comparing to what I've had in the past. I'm very happy with it. The kitchen's just how I thought it would be, if not better. It's brighter, it's lovely. I would definitely have asked Dream Doors for a quote, whether I'd won a competition or not, because their brochures look very promising and what they offer looks good. Dream Doors are definitely a 10 out of 10 company. I'd recommend Dream Doors to anyone. I think that they're a great product, good workers and really nice to work with.